Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to BKS Sports with Bonginkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs miss out on signing Mpuso Rithejane. I can confirm ukuthi from Soccer Beat, Mpuso Rithejane is off to America, United States of America, to join Umbekezeli Mbukazi with Chicago Fire. As I've said on my previous video, the chances of Kaizer Chiefs to sign Mpuso Rithejane are slim because according to how Usugazi does the business, it's all about him putting his best interest at heart every time. Business always comes before emotions. If a team sends a good offer, nakanjani he will take it, regardless ukuthi his team will find it difficult to replace a player. But with the offer that is tempting, he'll release a player. We saw him releasing Abo Obasi, Msimango, Sibelebele, Fia Krentwari. You can name a few, but as I've said, Rithejane is a player that can go and play abroad. I was wishing for him to play in Europe, but also I think going to MLS can be something good for him because we know very well there will be options there. If it happens he hits a stumbling block, there's also an option to come back home. But for now, I want us to discuss about Guti. Is it a good move or a bad move? Comment on the comment section. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. But if you have already subscribed, please don't forget to hit that like button. Ngabonga kakhulu futhi ngawenza umkhulu umehluko. Danko. So, Mpuso Rithejane, we all know ukuthi is that player Bobby was talking about, which is a special player. But I think it was going to demand more from Kaizer Chiefs to get Mpuso Rithejane. As they said, they will only release him if a team sends a 20 million rand offer. So obvious, that's why we saw even Mamelodi Sundowns, their offer that was firstly sent to ETS Galaxy, it wasn't appealing. But also from Kaizer Chiefs, I think that's a lot of too much to ask for, especially for a team that spent more than 7 million for his development. And mind you, Mpuso Rithejane is not yet that renowned and established player. He's just trying to peak. He's still growing, he's still gaining experience, he's trying to pave his path in this football industry. But now, obviously, in business, you take advantage of every situation that you find yourself in. We are born out Team Sugas. We do know this player is a valuable player. And looking at his age, maturity, and understanding of the game, surely the team that was going to sign him will benefit. But now, for the fact that he's no longer on the market, is untouched now because he has signed with the MLS team called the Chicago Fire. Logo kusho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, they knew what they were doing. That's why they didn't want to put themselves in an unnecessary pressure. Yes, uThera uzamile ukumshaya nge-phone call, but miss call. Wabuya ke naye uBobby wazama ukukhuluma neTime lathi no mfethu, yazeni mina kukho engakusiza ngakho. If ufuna umfana, hamba ku Team Sugazi, yindoda engakhulumisana naye. So if maybe Kaizer Chiefs it happened ukuthi bakwazile ukukhipha le mali ebe bayidemand, ngabe simbona in the golden black colors, because fans were excited ukuthi they've rejected the Mamelodi Sundowns, which gives them a chance ukuthi bangamsign, but it didn't happen like that. So the question now I want us to discuss on is will he be able to make sure ukuthi makafika ku MLS to make his career blossom, or we're gonna see another Cassius Mailula situation in Jabulo Blom, because we know very well ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalama early moves, especially to a league whereby ukuthi it is criticized a lot Yes, Lionel Messi might play there, Rodrigo De Paul might play there, we have Ubongo Kuhluhlungwane playing there, only to name a few. But is it a good decision from him? Because I think he still has the ambition to represent the national team iBafana Bafana. And we saw how critical he was uMadala Bruce for the move of Umbegezeli Mpokazi to MLS. Let alone uPuso Dithejane, who haven't made it to iBafana Bafana setup. Ugcine nje kule COSAF. Amathuba wakhe azoba njani? Not unless he works hard. He works hard so that he can be recognized, so that he can come back. Because sometimes you need to go out of your comfort zone or figure to a place whereby you're gonna make sure you do everything within your power to succeed. Maybe we should give him the benefit of the doubt because he's still young. He can also move around corner abroad because there are many options for him. But I think sometimes we have to understand decisions that are being taken are not necessarily a reflection of how it came about that decision got to be taken. So for him going to MLS, maybe for him it is something that can help him grow personally in terms of trying abe that player that angaba yiyo and be more, because he's one of the best left wingers we have and also can play as a number 10. But now the move is off the card to angabuyele eNaturena. It simply means Kaizer Chiefs now must focus on one thing. Try benze sure they get the result and use the players that are at their disposal. I couldn't blame Mina Bobby Mtwawung saying I don't see a need to bolster our squad. We have many players. So also let's talk about Ingwenya lana. Lebohang Phiri is a player that could play as a CM, as a CTM. Finally got a club eMzansi. He's going to play for iSikhukhune United. Which could iSikhukhune ba release umegol team bathenga uLebohang Phiri. So I think for a good price they were able to negotiate in terms of a salary package because he came back home from abroad. Things didn't materialize the deal between Kaizer Chiefs and him. I think maybe it was the demands because Batima big HR and then Babong no, he won't offer us a lot rather than him showing that he's capable and he has experience. So they've decided no, we'll weigh our options. That's why we saw him signing for iSikhukhune United, and I hope it's a good decision because also iSikhukhune has DM Munare, especially it's not Ndlovu, it's Mkhize. So you can say iSikhukhune is another team that is willing to be competitive because you can see now they do have a plan, a cohesive plan that will help them to compete, because it was nice to see them they are playing around number 4, number 5, number 3 CAF Confederation. It simply means now they have that ambition. It's no longer about surviving relegation, but hlezi ubilapana go first half of the log, not the first half or the first page of the log, mawi browser. So it's all about that. Now teams are willing to be competitive regardless they don't have the resources that the big three have, but it's all about them going out of their way, going an extra mile to try what our options, what can we do. So it is a good thing. Kaizer Chiefs also missed out on a DM, and obviously we are in need of a DM, but I see the plan okay, they'll try to use that Maboy Matlow combination to see how far will it take them. But another good player have went to another club, got signed by another club at the expense of the Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know, how do you feel about this news? Hopefully you'll have a good day. Thank you for making it this far on the video. So bonana kwivideo landelayo. Ikhosi aliphelimoya. Danko.